Good morning, dear students. We are doing lesson 4th, and lesson name is images, links, and tables. Till now, we have covered the images concept. Today, we are going to start next concept, that is the link. You are looking one web page on the screen. Tourist places in the Chandigarh. Under it, some options are given: Rose Garden, Rock Garden, etc. And these are in the blue color. And when you will click on these links, these are the links. When you will click on these links, a different image will come to you. How it is possible? Firstly, defining to this, I would like to tell you that by using the link, you can not only open the images, you can open emails, other web pages, and the some other files also. Firstly, we are going to open the image by using the link. For making a link, we are going to use anchor tag. In short, we use a. Means, suppose you are looking some options here. The first one is rose garden. When you want to open an image by clicking on it, what you will do? Firstly, you have required one image for linking with this text. Secondly, we will use a tag. A means anchor. It is a container tag, means it will have the opening as well as closing. The text to which you want to make the link, that text will come in between a opening and a closing. Now I am showing you its program. Understand it. After body, UL for making the bullets in front of the options. After that, H1 for heading 1, tourist places in the Chandigarh. Then font face is changed and its size is 6. After this, linking is defined here. A, before a li is there, li for the putting the bullet in front of the rose garden. A opening and a closing. In between a opening and a closing, here it is written rose garden. Below it, again a opening, a closing. In between a opening, a closing, rose garden. Then Sukna Lake and Chatbed Zoo. Now one more thing, in a opening, one more attribute is given. This attribute is href. As I told you that for making the link, if you are making a link to the image, you have required a image to which you want to link. Where that image is stored, you have to define with the href attribute. Means a href equal in inverted comma the location and the name of that image to which you want to link. You can see in the first link a href equal rosegarden.html. Here html, this, when you will click on the rose garden named html file will be opened. If you want to open the image file, here you will address the name of the image file. As I told you that by using the link you can open image file, html file, data file, whatever you want to open, it can be opened. Just you have to mention the address and the name of the file. The method will be same. So hopefully you have understood. Even though if you have any question, you can put. Thank you.